Here's my statement to Bespil Arnel Guerrero Castillo. Ah, you know what, Bespil Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Gina Sejo? Why all of you wants to make a enemy in social media? Ah, I don't know what you're doing eh. Uh, and Jean Asejo. Okay, here. So in my blog anyway, Bespil Arnel Guerrero Castillo and Gina Sejo, please do not harass Shania Kiana. First of all, I'm not picking a fight in social media, Bespil. Arnel Guerrero Castillo, I know what your ambition was to make a enemy in social media. Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, be content on yourself. You're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central. You're the one who pushed that. You're the one who stole a cell phone. Batangas, Marikina, Dasmariñas, Cavite. And you're the one who stole the cell phone of Sir Calvin Cuevas in Marikina. And you're the one who makes cyberbullying against Vico Soto. You know, Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, uh, don't call me abnormal. Even you, Gina Sejo, don't call me abnormal. Both of you are abnormal. Both of you are wanted. You, Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, you are a most wanted by NBI. Admit yourself that you are a criminal. However, whether if you know what you're doing anyway, you are a criminal, Bespil. Your cases anyway, Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, cyberbullying, robbery, theft. Oh, you stole the bicycle in Las Piñas. Do not call me abnormal, Bespil. You're not in United States. You are here in the Philippines. And that photo, that was an image in Hong Kong International Airport at Cathay Pacific is just a Google image, Bespil. You are a fake news. Even you, Gina Sejo, you're the one who scolded me last 2003 and 2004 in CDIFI. You're the one who scolded David Gill way back 2002. You're the one who scolded Luis Cabales 2002, 2003. 2003, ha? O 2004, Gina Sejo. Gina Sejo and Bespil, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, deactivate all of your both of your Facebook account. Don't make any kind of shenanigans.